Good morning. I was just doing my morning exercise here in the Benjakitti Park and I noticed for the first time that the fountains are on. So last year they completely renovated this park and this is the old part of the Benjakitti Park. There you have the one Bangkok in the back. I made a nice video on Global Travel Mate. Put the link here in the description. Here you have the Sukhumvit area with the one Bangkok office tower in the back. Yeah, Benjakitti Park actually is one of the popular parks in the city where people come to walk and do their exercises. So you have the Benjasiri, the Benjakitti and Lumpini Park that are connected with the BTS or the MRT. Easy to reach by public transport and on walking distance from many of the living areas. Here in the Benjakitti Park there's also a dog park. Let me go and check that out for you. You have a nice bicycle path here, but unfortunately it's still not possible to use it with the bicycle. This part here is the dog park, and as you can see, plenty of people are using it now to walk the dogs. And this is one of the few places in the city where you can actually walk around with your pet. There are a couple of rules to use this park. You have to clean up after the dog. The dog is not allowed to bother other visitors of the park. There used to be a gate here to separate this part of the park with the new park, but they removed it. Still doesn't mean that I can use my bicycle on that part. I can use it here, I cannot use it there. So this is the second part of the park, and there's still a gate around here. Maybe one day they will completely open it up. It's 8:30 now, and in the early morning a lot of people come here to do exercise. Yeah, we live around the corner of this park, so it's one of our favorite places to hang out. Here you have the dedicated bike lane, but I'm gonna go and walk on the bridge here. This is what I use to get around. On the 18th of December this year there will be a beauty run, and this will be in the park here. Here you have the entrance to the Sky Bridge, and somebody was actually asking me about a detailed map of the park. It's actually quite interesting. Skywalk, no bicycle, no scooters, no roller skates, no skateboard, no smoking or vaping, keep quiet. Okay.
เคพี่ตุนเอาขายืดออกมาข้าง
So the last weeks there were a couple of fairs here in the park, and actually they are doing concerts now as well. So this is really becoming a public park, as in public that people can really use it for festivals and stuff like that. Really nice. And if you come here in the evening, it's very busy. So here to the left you will have the connection to the old factory buildings where there's going to be the museum, but this is closed now. I was here a couple of weeks ago in the evening, and then this was all open, so I will edit a little piece of that footage in here as well. And here in front you see the construction of the one Bangkok. And now you can really see that this project is getting bigger and bigger. It's going to be interesting to follow this in the future. So imagine the tower in the middle there. Let me get a bit closer. So imagine the tower here. This is on the 30th floor at the moment. And the signature tower, which will be in front here, will have 93 floors, so, and will be 437 high, so I would imagine it would be somewhere here. Yeah, this is next level constructions. So here you have the marsh, good view here of the skyline as well. So this is the one city center. This is the highest office tower in Bangkok that just finalized. And this one here is the Nimit Lang Swan. And that's a building that's been under construction for many years, and it's been halted for a long time already. I guess they have some financial problems. Yeah, lovely park. Cannot say anything else. You also see more and more animals in the park here, and I noticed quite a few people that come here to watch birds. So I guess the bird population is growing as well. They must have some water monitor lizards in here. You know, the raining season just finished, so obviously everything is wet, but I'm actually interested to see how this is going to be in 6 months after the dry period. There you have the auditorium, and there was a concert 2 weeks ago where we went, and last weekend there was another concert, and I think there's gonna be more, so I will try and keep you up to date about that. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the Benjakitti Park. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.